Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the 10G PCIe network card with 10 gigabits per second dual RJ45 ports featuring the Intel X540-T2 controller by VIMIN, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This network card is designed for users who demand ultra-fast and reliable network connections, especially in server environments or high-performance workstations requiring 10 gigabits per second speeds. The standout feature of this network adapter is its dual 10 gigabits per second RJ45 copper ports powered by the trusted Intel X540-T2 chipset. This ensures stable and high-speed data transmission, making it ideal for bandwidth-intensive applications such as virtualization, large file transfers, and media streaming. Its compatibility with a broad range of operating systems including Windows, Windows Server, Linux, and VMware makes it a versatile choice for different network setups. Another advantage is its flexible PCI Express compatibility, supporting both X8 and X16 slots. This flexibility allows installation in various desktop and server configurations without worrying about slot limitations. Additionally, the inclusion of both standard and slim brackets caters to different chassis sizes, enhancing its adaptability. Thermal management is well addressed with an effective heat sink, which helps maintain optimal operating temperatures during prolonged high-load usage, ensuring consistent and stable network performance. The gold finger interface further reduces connectivity interruptions, contributing to reliable uptime. Pros: dual 10 gigabits per second RJ45 ports for ultra-fast network speeds. Intel X540-T2 chipset ensures reliable and stable performance. Broad OS compatibility including Windows, Linux, and VMware. Supports PCIe X8 and X16 slots for flexible installation. Comes with standard and slim brackets for diverse hardware setups. Efficient heat dissipation with heat sink for stable operation. Cons: requires a compatible PCIe slot and may not fit in smaller or non-standard cases without the correct bracket. Higher power consumption compared to lower speed NCs. May require driver installation and some technical knowledge for optimal setup overall. The VIMIN 10 gigabits Ethernet adapter card is a solid investment for professionals and enthusiasts looking to upgrade their network infrastructure to 10 gigabits per second speeds with dependable hardware. Remember, the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out before you make your purchase.